Alright, welcome to TDS Online Math. Alright, so let's observe this mathematical expression well. So we have 5 parentheses, 18 minus 8 divided by 2 raised to 3 times 2. So you can pause the video and give it a try, okay? Alright, so let's see how a layman will solve this, okay? Alright, so we have 5 is 18 divided minus 8 divided by, now let's change 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 is the same as 2 times 2 times 2. 2 to 4, 4 to 8 times 2. Okay, so the next thing is to subtract this. We have 10 here divided by 8 times 2. So let's divide this. We have 10 on 8. Now let's multiply it by 2 times 2. So 2 here, 1, 2 here, 4. So we'll have 5 times 10 on 4. So 2 here, 5, 2 here, 2. So 5 times 5 is 25 over 2. Okay, but I'm very sorry, this is wrong. Alright, now let's see how we can solve this one with the help of the order of operations. Okay, so let's talk about PEMDAS or board mass. Okay, so the P is for parentheses or brackets. So when you are given 3 times 5, okay, parentheses 7 minus 6. So you tackle this one first. That's a parenthesis. Okay, that's a parenthesis. So the next one has to do with exponents. So order. Okay, then we have multiplication, division, multiplication, division. Okay, so the next thing I'll talk about is addition, subtraction. Addition, subtraction. Okay, now let's note this. Now when two orders, note that when two orders are of the same precedence, we start from the left. Okay, now let me explain what is meant by same precedence. Now we have multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Now in case we are given 6 times 4 plus 2, let me make it divided by 2, then 5 divided by 2 times 5. Okay, so we call this same precedence. Okay, same precedence, because we have multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Okay, so once it's happening this way, you start from the left. So this one have to multiply. So 6 for 24 divided by 2. And this one we have to divide, then multiply by 5. Now when you are also given 6 plus 3 minus 2, then 6 minus 3 plus 2. Now let's observe addition, subtraction. So plus, minus. So same precedence when they happen at the same time. So we have this. With this, we start from the left, okay, to the right. So this one will be 6 plus 3 minus 2. And this one will be 6 minus 3 plus 2. As simple as that. Okay. Now that we know the orders, the order of operations, so let's see how we can, solve the question, okay? Okay, so let's start by now. The first one has to do with parentheses, but inside the parentheses we have so many operations. So let's delve into it. We have 5, 18 minus 8. So remember, after the parentheses, the next thing is exponent. Okay, so let's deal with the exponent. So this is 2 to the power 3, that is 8. So I'll put 8 here. Okay, so times 2. That's nicely done. Now let's observe the second operation. We have multiplication, division. Multiplication, division. So multiplication, division. Okay, or division, multiplication. So we call this same precedence. So look, division and multiplication. So we have division here and we have multiplication here. So I'll start from the left here. Look, forget about the minus. We have 8 divided by 8 times 2. So I have to divide this one. And we know 8 divided by 8 is 1. Have 5, 18 minus. So this side is 1 times 2. Okay. Now, we can now multiply. Since we are done with the division, I will say 5 times 18. So 1 times 2 is 2. That's nicely done. All right, now before we continue, if this is the first time you're watching my video, please kindly like this video, subscribe, and then share so that others will also see. Okay, thanks for doing that. All right, now let's continue. So we can now subtract. Okay, we still have parentheses, so we have 5. So 18 minus 2 is 16. Okay, so we can now write this one as 5, okay, times 10 plus 6. Okay, so 10 plus 6 is the same as 16. Okay, so let's expand the brackets. So this one will take that. So 5 times 10 is 50. So 5 times 6 is 30. So the correct answer is 80. Okay, as simple as that. All right, so you can go ahead and try this also. Okay, so if you found this video useful, please kindly subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. All right.